Hello, I'm Mark Clemens, one of the music teachers at Quitman Elementary School in Quitman, Arkansas. I'm going to play the fourth song from Barb Philippak's Recorder Karate. The song is It's Raining. A couple of things you need to know about this song. It uses three notes. It uses A, which is thumb 1, 2, G, which is thumb 1, 2, 3, and E, which is thumb 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 on the other hand. The other thing that you need to know about this song is that it begins on count 4. It's called a pickup note. I'll demonstrate by playing it twice. Once very slow, and then once at about a normal speed. Here's the slow. 1, 2, 3. Now I'll play it just a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3.